Hi, so if you go to New York City, make sure to do a tour with Fly Nyan. First, you have a safety video. It's around 5 minutes. As you can see, the area is beautiful. We're about to do a tour of lovely New York City. I'm about to see the Statue of Liberty herself up close and personal. And here is where they strap us all in. Safety first, guys. It's so important, especially with an open door tour that I'm about to do. I'm so excited. We are now walking to our helicopter. It's getting closer. The anticipation is killing me. I can't wait to see what views are in store. Hooray, I got so lucky with getting to sit right beside the pilot. We are now ready for takeoff. Let's go. I literally cannot believe this. This is absolutely amazing. It was a struggle getting my legs out, like a workout, but still absolutely worth it for the view. And speaking of that view, it doesn't get better than this, guys. What a way to see New York City. I am so thankful I decided to book this tour. And there she is, the beautiful lady herself. Welcome to New York, guys. And now we are landing. Tour successful, complete, and safe back at home. Thanks again, Fly Nyan. Just some more beautiful photos I captured while up in the air. I would definitely love to do this again. Thank you.